Today is move-in day. I am so sick and just dying, but here I am moving into Alpha Chi house today. It was supposed to be 5 hours ago, but we're leaning towards 1, and it's 12, and I haven't gone out of bed. Eating Cheerios for lunch to play it safe. I've been up since 5. That's the first thing I'm doing. Not sponsored by Advil. This is all I've done, is a half a box of clothes. This is literally how I walk around with one eye barely open. I'm in so much pain. I just brought this giant box down the stairs, and being dizzy going down that is so bad. And there was 3 cats, and I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna fall off the railing or fall down, and I just decided I'm gonna leave them here and bring my other box down. Yeah. I'm laying back in bed now. I literally just walked out to take a shower, saw the dog, and I went, why? Why did I do that to the dog? This is what my hair looks like. It's been in that ponytail for like 4 days. It's kind of nice, but at the same time, like what is this? What is this? These straight things at the bottom and curly at the top. Okay, I took a shower. Everyone's awake. They're helping me. I can't lift the boxes up and down, which is like the main process of moving. So I don't know what to do about that. It's 2:30, and since I'm so late, I'm sitting here eating turkey. Totally forgot to record the actual move-in process, but my family just left and I'm eating Costa Vida. We have assigned parking spots. This is definitely the worst one. Definitely the worst part of the entire house. Trying to not show the license plates here, but this space is so tight. You can see where the cars are, but it doesn't look as bad now. It's literally so awful though. Took me like 15 minutes to get into my parking spot, and there wasn't even any other cars there. I've decided there's literally nothing else for me to do. Look at me back there. Anyway, besides for me to move in. So even if I'm sick, I'm just gonna do it anyway. Also freezing, which is so weird because I was dying of heat earlier. I had my window open. I switched into this tank top, and I had to put my sweater back on, and I still am so cold. So what is that going on? I just stepped on my slinky. Oh no. Oh no. My slinky. Okay, good. It's not completely. Okay. It lives another day. That's not what I tried to do, but this is what I'm doing right now. So I have my slinky, my hacky sack. I have my bins full of clothes. I'm trying to figure out if I should put the bins here to here and then put my drawer back from out, because it kind of feels right there. I can't decide if I should put the underwear socks bins here or if I should put them right here. I don't know. What should I do? This is all my bathroom stuff. I kind of organized it. I realized I forgot my scrunchies. There's like 2 random scrunchies. There's my medicine. I can't decide if I should put my medicine in here, put it like somewhere over here. And this is gonna be Noelia's side, so that side's gonna be mine, and I'll have the bottom. Except for I feel like it's not fair for her to have the top because she's shorter than me, but we're both pretty short. But I have these. I have this. I don't even know what this is in. I didn't write that, so don't make fun of me. Also, this is the saddest thing because my room was so hot last summer that it melted over the summer. So all of this melted. It's so sad. And I gotta like fix it before I put it on my door. This is 3 different pictures. Bro. I'm scared. I might make this mess. Oh, I got it. How cute would this be if I got a picture of me and Noelia? By the way, Noelia is my roommate. If I got a picture of me and Noelia and put it like at the front of the door. That's so cute. I'm starting to get so sick again. Anyway, I finished one box. It's starting to look a little more homey in here. I just need some wall things, and I'm definitely gonna cover all of this. Like, what is this? Who did that? So this is my last box. Here. I have no idea what's in it, so I'm grabbing this, which isn't even mine, it's Noelia's. And I'm gonna open this box. Let's see. Oh, why did I put it so far away? My arm has to reach so far. There we go. It's like picture, cutting board, okay, this is the coolest thing ever. I've never used it, but I saw it in a video. You can put like pancake mix in here and then flip it, and it flips by itself with all these tiny pancakes. Or you can do the same with like fried eggs. I can't wait to try it. Even though I've never cooked pancakes correctly. This box is literally just a game of, what do I do next? Oh, I know what these are. Pictures. This is my Little Caesar shirt. I could smell it before I even grabbed it out of the bag. It's so gross. I'm not even gonna. I've washed it so many times. I won't wear Little Caesar anymore. All summer, I haven't worked. You can tell I'm getting sick again. I'm bringing this home. Okay, this is my last bag, and it's full of shoes. These are gonna make me so proud. Tie-boy boots. I'm gonna wear those my second day here. We're supposed to write hometown. Heels for my phone. These are my work shoes. More heels. Well, some heels for my clothing. Filas. These so tall. These two-colored glowy shoes. I don't wear these tomorrow because they are neon. Tennis shoes. Guess. I'm so upset right now. All of my shoes fit perfectly. There's one spot left. I have 2 pairs of shoes on. This obviously isn't permanent. You'll notice I put my shoes over there. I'm so sad. I must have forgotten a box or something because my lamp isn't here. My dog is melting. But still. That's me. I am back 4 months later to show you my decorations because I'm editing this 4 months later. First off, I hung some clothes up. I don't have as many shoes down here. Also, it's kind of a mess now. Not that bad, but I have these 2 little plants. I used to have more things here, but every time you close the curtains, they fall down. So I just have those 2 plants. I have a Brita in here with the calendar. There's a random picture of me because someone gave it to me. And the Neuschwanstein Castle. And then all of this stuff on my desk. Ignore my desk, I guess, but someone gave me some Lego plants, and I got this plant from IKEA, and I just don't know where to put them. I don't know where to put my easel either. And then this is the wall that I just love so much. It's so cute. So cute. And then there's that, and I still have nothing on this wall. Thanks for watching.